Welcome to Babies and Groans.
Here's your shoes, Coco.
Oh!
Hi, welcome to Babies and Blooms. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to show you how to make seed tape.
Seed tape
Yo,
is
Coco.
seed tape is really nice because it helps you plant things that are hard to plant, such as little teeny tiny seeds. You can prepare it indoor like we are right now. It's a little bit windy outside. If we try to take these little teeny tiny carrot seeds outside and plant them right now, half of them would blow away. It also helps you control how many seeds you plant, in your row, so you don't overdo it with seeds. Then you thin less.
I did that this year. I planted turnips and I just took my finger and I sprinkled them, and I was lazy and I just went sprinkled, and I have tons of turnips now that I need to plant.
Yeah, I mean, we're all guilty of it. You don't have that much control over these little teeny tiny. I'll show you how small they are. You can really use seed tape with anything, but the smaller seeds are when it really counts.
Like if you can't see up close, you need glasses to see in a plant. You don't know
Small
what you're planting, like our mom.
Exactly. Bigger seeds.
This way you can sit in your house and have your little glasses on your nose and you can
Yeah.
see what you're doing.
Bigger seeds like a pea. You don't need a seed
Yeah,
tape for that.
you
You
need
just,
glasses
throw
for those.
you just throw those in the ground and they'll be good to go. Also, using seed tape will help you get a better, straighter line. And you can use all sorts of paper products for the seed tape. You can use newspaper, you can use paper towel, but since we're all in quarantine mode, and I know a lot of people at home have mountains of toilet paper, we're gonna be using toilet paper.
We don't have mountains of toilet paper though, because we didn't hoard it. We bought it as needed, which was very hard to do. But if you have a lot of it at home,
Yeah.
maybe you're suddenly realizing you didn't need as much as you thought.
But
So you have some extra.
But if you are low on toilet paper, you can use
Don't
the
use it. If
newspaper.
you're low on toilet paper, now is not the time to use it for seeds. You should use some newspaper or any other kind of paper you have that's, it's going to decompose in the ground, like paper towels. But those are hard to come by too.
Yeah, but I think probably like magazine paper probably
Yeah.
isn't good. It would take it too
Yeah.
long to kind of decompose. You want it to be softer so that your seeds can, once
Get
it gets
wet
wet and they
and
can
fall
go
apart.
down into the ground.
Yeah.
So
So how long do you like to make your seed paper, Gina?
Well, I mean, it just depends on how wide your garden is, but you don't want to make it too long because then you're going to have this
No.
big flapping
Yeah,
thing.
it's kind of hard to manage.
Though a couple of feet is
there is
good,
a
I
couple
think,
of
a
feet.
few feet.
So the nice thing about toilet paper is you don't have to cut it either. Like
But we
paper
are-
towels.
But we are going to cut it in half, aren't we?
Yeah. We'll cut it in half. You should just
So
fold
she
it over
lied.
like this. You can just fold it over
Why
though
would
if
you
you're
fold
lazy.
it?
Because you fold it over, you put your seed down and you fold it over.
And sandwich it in?
Yeah.
Well, I've never done it like that, but I mean,
Oh.
we could try. I mean, I don't see why not. That's an okay idea.
Well, how do you want to do it?
Well, so however wide you make it, this is how wide you have to like kind of dig your furrow. So do you want to dig your furrow 2 inches thick, or do you want to like make it thinner?
Okay, we'll make it thinner. We'll cut it in half.
We're gonna make it
Start
thinner.
over. We're just gonna cut that out. It's no big deal.
No, I think it's okay. We're working it out as we go.
We're figuring it out as we go. So we're gonna cut this piece of toilet paper in half.
So
With
we're
some-
going to put the hair on one, guys.
With some dull scissors. This is why it's kind of hard to do long strips because it's not very manageable.
And this is why it's nice to do it inside. If you're outside right now, the toilet paper would be blowing in
gone.
the wind.
Okay.
Against the wind. Okay, beautiful.
So I have 2 strips of toilet paper.
Oh yeah, now we just double. Now we're making use of our toilet paper. Now we have 2 strips of toilet paper. We
Very
just made it
thrifty of
go
us.
twice as far.
And if you have like 2-ply toilet paper, you could even
yeah,
peel it apart. Or 3-ply, you would have like 3. This is single ply, I think. This is Scotch.
Yeah,
So
I
this
have
is
single
not our
ply
favorite
right now
toilet
too.
paper.
It's all they have in this.
That's why I'm sacrificing this toilet paper for this project. I have some nice Cottonelle or Angel Soft. that we're not using. This is Scott.
I don't have any nice toilet paper at home because I didn't hoard.
It's hard to come by.
Okay, so let's talk about the flour now. You can use glue, which she wanted to use glue, which she does, but I said everybody has flour at home.
Here's
So
the
let's do.
Here's the knife.
Thank you. So everybody has flour. So you do equal parts flour and water, and it kind of becomes glue. We have some nice thick flour water mixture here, and then we're going to make little dots along the seed tape. And let's see, how far does it say to plant them apart? It doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. You want to plant them 1/8 of an inch down, 2 inches apart. We'll do 2 seeds per 2 inches just in case one doesn't germinate.
Now, a lot of people at this point will show you that you should get out your ruler and mark every 2 inches.
We'll do
But
that.
we don't do that. We just eyeball it. That's way too much trouble for seeds.
No.
Here, so
Oh, man.
I'll make you.
Look at how tiny these seeds
I'll make
are.
you a little dot of flour every 2 inches.
Okay. I think that was 2.5.
Possibly. It could be 2 1/4. I'm not sure.
No,
But
these are like so teeny tiny. So we'll go all the way down. And I mean, like I just accidentally dropped 3 in one. I'm not gonna like try to pick that out because
you can still thin later if you need to.
yeah, you can still thin later, and it's.
But you're not gonna
does it
have to thin
be
nearly
that
as much.
precise? I don't know. Now they do sell at the store, I noticed you can buy seed tape already made, but you're gonna pay more. Why not just make it yourself? It's pretty easy.
Gothic
Yay! Now the seeds that we're using today, these are Seeds of Change Garden Carrot Blend. And we got these at Tractor Supply. They're organic. We don't only...
Are they non-GMO?
They don't say that they're non-GMO, but we don't only do organic.
I want to paint too.
We do regular.
So like what's organic? Like if you're gonna raise it in your garden and grow it and be
I want to
chemical
paint
free.
too.
Yeah, but then
Basically
this,
okay.
if the seeds are not GMO or
Yeah.
free, then
Well, we try. You know, you do your
Yeah,
best
you
with what
do
you
your
want. But sometimes you want some kind of seed and they don't have it in
Exactly.
non-GMO or whatever it is, and you just have to buy it.
exactly.
So
Okay,
now what do
so
we
we
do?
have our seed tape, and now you want to let this dry so that the glue hardens a little bit, so your seeds stay. Do you think we should fold
You
it
can
over?
fold it over, yeah.
Let's
You
fold it over
on
especially
itself.
because it's toilet paper. I usually do newspaper, and it's a little bit stronger. But with the toilet paper, I think we need to fold it over on
Yeah.
itself so that it's a little bit.
And viola.
It's stuck to the counter a little bit.
We
So
glue
this
it
will
to the
dry, and then look at you're gonna have this perfect row.
And then you
Of
roll
carrots.
it around, you know, if you have an extra toilet paper roll,
I want to
the
paint
cardboard,
too.
you can roll it around it and save it.
I want to paint
And then you can
too.
save it for years to come.
I want to
I don't
Next
know
year.
about that.
Can I paint too?
Well, people say you want to store a roll of toilet paper.
Yeah, with it like around the cardboard, you roll it around it. You put it in there.
You get desperate enough, you're gonna use that roll of the cardboard for something else. Okay, now we're gonna take our tape that we have here, and we're gonna go out into the garden, and we're gonna dig a little furrow that's 1/8 of an inch deep,
I
and we're
help
gonna,
you,
and you
Dave?
can help us, yeah. Okay, see you out there.
My yard a little bit. I was thinking I told him before you left to use it to like a crop.
Mm-hmm.
My hoe. Did he get to the dirt? I mean, look at this. Look yesterday.
Oh no. I don't know about these steps.
I know, right?
Like your sandbox, Coco?
I don't have like a little shovel.
Yeah. Yeah. Using a hammer.
This is how we dig our holes here. Only the
Hammer?
Only the finest tools.
It says 1/8 of an inch. That's like nothing. 1/8 is just like a little bit of dirt on top.
Okay. Well, this is where we're going to plant them.
Uh-oh. Oh, thank you. Okay, here's your... Thank you, Coco. Here, Coco, you want to help? Your mom?
Come help.
Help dig the toilet paper. Help bury the toilet paper. Yep, that's nice. Oh. Woo.
Yeah.
Okay, so we planted one of them just right there. Now we have another little narrow spot right here. We're gonna do the other one. Coco, you helping? Yeah, big help, big help.
Dirt on that. Right there. Right there.
Just keeps them busy.
Is my pumpkin over here?
No. Now don't forget where you plant your seeds. Once you cover up the seed tape with dirt, you won't remember where it is. So mark it, please. Anything.
No more here. No more here. Coco. Don't put sand in there, Coco. No. It's a whole bunch of
Baby's crying.
coming.
Did we press record on this?
I think it's so.
Okay.